welcome to my channel. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with Gorgius Wigs. They sent me this bomb closure wig, and I'll be installing it with y'all, showing everything that I did to get this look. Very easy, very simple, very on the go install, y'all. You cannot go wrong with it. Also, this wig is very affordable, natural hairline, affordable, good quality, and as you can see, it is 100% human hair, y'all. So let's get right into this video. So this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed as much as I enjoyed collabing with Gorgius Wigs. You can use my discount code to get money off if y'all interested in shopping with this company, y'all. Let them know that I did send you. As I said before, good quality hair, 100% human hair, natural hairline, literally everything, y'all. Also, the wig did come with a few accessories such as an edge brush, hair clips, you know, all the little things that you would need. I definitely loved it. Definitely loved the look on me. Like, sis, I love the curly bob look. It's always a go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram if you already haven't. Don't forget to go shop at Gorgius Wigs, y'all. You can use my discount code to get money off. As I said before, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.